Here we come to the elevator at
1 North
5th Avenue in Tucson.
These, I don't know what these were originally, but they were modded by Thyssenkrupp.
Yeah, these are Thyssenkrupp. I think Enduras, I believe.
No, these are modernized.
Yeah, I'm guessing they put Endura equipment in though. Instead of oil hydraulic, because these are after 2012.
Yeah.
These are Mad BS vandal resistant. Thyssenkrupp after 2020. They covered up.
3,000 pounds.
Yep, and if it gets stuck, you call that number and say don't use the phone.
I guess the certificate is in the office. Let's get a look around here.
And if there's an emergency, you call that number with a cell phone. Because I guess let's go down to 1.
Yep.
And door closes when you push the button. Anyways, let's get our cab view. Very nice cab. Very basic wood cab.
Retrofit snap cab.
Yep, I see the snap cab.
Seems like a lot of modernizations get these new cabs with them.
That hotel in Phoenix, we're stopping. That hotel in Phoenix. Going down?
Yes, second.
Which
Oh, thank you.
blue indicator like most Thyssenkrupps. Emergency light LED now instead of incandescent.
Have a wonderful day. Come on in.
One.
Yeah.
There's only one more down.
There we go.
Capacity is 3,000 pounds. Elevator number 1, emergency telephone built into the car station, ADA compliant. And we'll see if this one wants to go anywhere.
There you go.
We'll find out here in a second.
Nope.
But if we ring the bell. Oh, we got this one now. Let's take this car. It's just got the original indicate GAL lantern. It's most likely, this might have been a Hotchkiss before.
This one is much smaller.
Yep, it's got a capacity of how many pounds?
2,000 pounds.
This has got a 2,000 pound capacity.
Which is actually quite a bit for this small elevator.
Yeah, and got the blue indicator, blue buttons,
Usually
blue ABS.
In Europe, an elevator this size would only hold about 1,200 pounds.
Yeah.
Or
and
630 kilos.
let's see what if this GAL lantern.
It's got replaced with the
LED.
Yep. But I love how they kept the original lantern in here.
That is awesome. I like that original lantern. Let's get a cab view.
And I think it's also downstairs. So like turn the camera off when we leave.
Yeah, when we get out. This is a really nice cab. And that's the other elevator. Seems kind of busy now. I like that GAL lantern. This may have been a Hotchkiss elevator at one point. Because they're pretty much the only ones that use we are stopping. Here is a speaker for the emergency telephone.
Hi again.
Okay. He's there first. Thank you.
You got this one instead, and the big one like you normally get.
I think it honestly is random.
I think it's random. I'm just saying. You got the little one this time, the tiny one. I think it's super tiny.
Thank you.
Anyways,
That's it.
there's that GL lantern one last time. Just Thyssenkrupp door equipment, typical blue. Almost closed on me. One last view of the cab. Awesome motor. Anyways, that's it. And it's leaving, I think. Yep, it's leaving. I guess on these, the lantern doesn't light up.